Those who got it wrong, I don't know why did you use unchanged total. You do the 5 steps. If you get it wrong, please pay attention. Okay, I'm going to show you how it's done. For those who are wrong, please pay attention. It's still that 5 steps. It's still these 5 steps. First, you record the data. All right? So, same. You see the word same. Sentence by sentence. Same means equal. Equal means what? 1, 1. You can put 2, 2. You can put 3, 3. 3, 3 also same one. 4, 4 also same. Yeah, I agree. But after you simplify, you come back to 1, 1. Correct? Okay, so 1, 1. You want to put 2, 2, you can. You will still get the answer, just wasting time. More work only. Okay, simplify it, do 1, 1. Next, after 16 fishes were transferred from tank A to tank B. So tank A, you take out 16 fishes, and then you add it into tank B. So tank B plus 16, and then the ratio becomes 1 to 3. Now, that completes the recording data, step 1. Step 2, look for common base. What didn't change? Remember I told you, group, total, or difference. In this question, total is unchanged because the total number of fishes before and the total number of fishes at the end is the same. Why? Because you take fishes from tank A and put it in tank B. Correct? So minus 16 plus 16. Nothing changed. Total still the same. All right. All right. Group has changed, obviously. A has changed, B has changed. But total don't change. So common base is what didn't change. Total unchanged. So total here, at first is 1 plus 1, 2. Here, 1 plus 3, 4. These two value has to be the same because total is unchanged. So I shall make them the same. Make it to 4. Okay, times 2. That's the easiest way to make it the same. Common base done. Step 3, look for usable value. Look at the question. There's 2 values here. 16, 16. Correct? Usually, I'll just pick the top one. 16 on top. Okay? Now, if I use 16 on top, I ask myself the next question. What does this 16, how many units does this 16 represent? Okay, this 16 relates to A. Then just focus on A. A at first is 2 units, and in the end is 1 unit. Okay, 2 and 1. Meaning A has dropped by 1 unit. And the drop of 1 unit must relate to this 16 because this 16 is A minus 16. So 1 unit is 16. That answer step 4. Step 5, read the question again. How many fishes were there in each tank at first? In each tank means 1 tank, 2. Each tank is 2 units. So 16 times 2, 32. Okay? So some get 64. Why? Because you didn't do the step 5. A few people get 64. You know why? Obviously, didn't do step 5. Read the question again. Do you see how important it is? Reading the question again at the end. Proven no. You know how many people get 64 in this answer? At least 3 people. Obviously, these 3 people never read. Do until the end, don't read, and then get answer wrong. What a waste. Right, exam don't do that. Please, last step, read the question again. Question number 6. So, let's record step by step. First sentence, John is 4 times as much money as Peter. So 4 is to 1. Okay. I know you may use model or whatever. Now that you have learned ratio, use ratio method. Okay. Use ratio method, easiest. John spent 36 and Peter received 36. So John minus 36, Peter plus 36. And then the ratio becomes 5 to 2. Obviously, common base is total unchanged. Why? Together, John and Peter, their total amount of money is the same before and after. Why? Because although John spent $36, Peter received another $36. So together, their total amount of money don't change. then total is unchanged. That is the common base. So let's make them the same. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. That is the total before and after. Because they are unchanged, let's make them the same. Lowest common multiple of 5 and 7 is 35. So let's make this 35. Easy, multiply by 7. Over here, multiply by 5. Okay, this part should be quite easy for you. Huh? So make sure your common base is done. Now, step 3, usable value. Again, there's two values, 36, 36. I will always use the top one. You can use the bottom one, doesn't matter. It's still the same answer, but I make it a habit. Make it a habit. John minus 36. So focus on John. Okay, this is John. Huh? John at first is 28 units. In the end, it's 25 units. So John has reduced from 28 to 25, reduced by 3 units. So this reduction in 3 units must be equal to what John spent over here, $36, 36 here. So 3 units, 36. 1 unit is 12. So 1 unit. Step 4 done. Step 5, read the question again, everybody. Okay. Those who got wrong, did you get 12? If you didn't get 12, I don't know what happened to your calculation. If you follow the first 3 steps, there's no way you can't get 12. All right. How much money did Peter have at first? We're talking about this. 7 at first. So 7 times 12. That's the answer.